In a world brimming with opportunities, where dreams come to life and achievements know no bounds, there lies a limitless potential within each and every girl. But sometimes, amidst the chaos and distractions, it can be challenging to stay focused on our studies. Throughout history, great minds have recognized the power of focus and education. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. These extraordinary women have harnessed their focus and made their mark on the world. Let us make our future now, and let us make our dreams tomorrow's reality. So how can you fuel your focus and unlock your academic success? Here are some powerful strategies to help you thrive. Define your goals and break them down into manageable steps. This will give you direction and purpose. Design a dedicated study space that inspires focus. Eliminate distractions and surround yourself with motivating elements. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Believe in your abilities and celebrate the journey, not just the outcome. You may encounter many defeats, but you must not be defeated. Discover your unique learning style. Experiment with different techniques until you find what works best for you. Take care of your physical and mental well-being. Prioritize rest, exercise, and activities that rejuvenate your mind. Remember, you have the power within you to achieve greatness. Stay focused, stay determined, and let nothing hold you back. Together, let's fuel our focus, break barriers, and unlock the academic success that awaits us. Fuel your focus, ignite your potential, embrace the journey, and soar to new heights.